Awning windows. Awning windows are a smart choice for homeowners who want airflow, protection, and a cleaner exterior look, especially when paired with energy-efficient awning windows, weatherproof awning windows, and low-E glass awning windows. Residential awning windows work well in bathrooms, kitchens, basements, and compact wall spaces, while modern awning window styles complement both traditional and contemporary homes. For Anthem AZ residential window replacement company needs, awning window replacement can improve comfort, reduce drafts, and support home window upgrades with better sealed window units and insulated glass awning windows. Homeowners comparing vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and fiberglass awning windows often choose the material that best fits durability, maintenance, and appearance goals. Awning window installation. Anthem AZ should be handled by licensed awning window contractors Anthem AZ who understand proper sealing, framing, and alignment for long-term performance. Awning window installers in Anthem, Arizona can recommend custom awning windows. Anthem Arizona, new construction awning windows, and replacement awning windows near Anthem AZ based on the opening size and home style. Residential window installers and replacement window contractors also provide window frame replacement when existing frames are damaged or inefficient. For homeowners seeking premium awning window installation. Anthem, choosing the best awning window installers in Anthem AZ helps ensure smooth operation, strong weather resistance, and dependable crank awning windows that open and close easily. Awning windows. Anthem energy-efficient awning windows. Anthem are a popular upgrade for homeowners focused on lower utility costs and better indoor comfort throughout the year. Anthem AZ energy-saving window replacements often include double-pane awning windows. Anthem AZ insulated awning glass windows. Anthem Arizona, and low-E awning glass replacement. Anthem AZ for improved thermal performance. These options are ideal for residential exterior window upgrades. Anthem Arizona because they help reduce heat transfer while maintaining natural light. Weather-resistant awning windows. Anthem and sealed window units also support better performance during wind, dust, and seasonal changes. For house window replacement. Anthem AZ, homeowners often compare insulated glass awning windows, double-pane awning windows, and energy-efficient awning windows to maximize value. Vinyl awning window replacement. Anthem AZ remains one of the most requested solutions for low maintenance, durability, and strong insulation. Vinyl awning windows are ideal for homeowners seeking affordable residential awning windows. Anthem Arizona without sacrificing performance or appearance. Custom awning windows and tilt-out awning windows can be designed to fit unique openings, while awning window hardware and crank-out awning windows. Anthem AZ provides smooth daily operation. Residential awning window replacement. Anthem AZ often involves matching the style of existing casement and awning windows for a cohesive look across the home. Whether upgrading one room or completing a full home exterior window replacement, material selection matters for energy efficiency and long-term reliability. Awning window installation is an important service for homes experiencing damaged hardware, broken seals, or worn frames that affect operation and efficiency. Awning window frame replacement. Anthem AZ can restore structural integrity, while awning window hardware installation helps extend the life of existing residential awning windows. Homeowners searching for low-E awning glass replacement. Anthem AZ or insulated awning glass windows. Anthem Arizona often want to improve older units without replacing every opening in the house. Local residential window experts. Anthem Arizona can assess whether installation, partial replacement, or full awning window replacement makes the most sense. For aging windows, same-day window replacement. Anthem AZ may be available when urgent issues affect comfort or security. Casement and awning windows are often paired together in Anthem homes because they provide flexible ventilation, strong sealing, and a polished appearance. Crank awning windows are especially useful in spaces where outward opening windows need to stay protected from rain while still allowing fresh air inside. Modern awning window styles can complement residential awning window replacement. Anthem AZ projects by improving curb appeal and efficiency at the same time. Custom awning windows. Anthem Arizona are also a strong option for unique architecture or specialty openings. Whether the project includes awning window installation Anthem AZ or a full set of home window upgrades, the right style and configuration can improve function and exterior design throughout the property. Replacement window contractors in Anthem understand that every home has different needs, from simple awning window installation to full home exterior window replacement. Anthem AZ window and door replacement services often include residential awning window replacement, window frame replacement, and vinyl awning window replacement. Anthem AZ for homeowners seeking reliable upgrades. New construction awning windows are also available for builders and remodelers wanting consistent sizing and modern performance. Residential window installers can help with weather-resistant awning windows Anthem and energy-efficient awning windows Anthem in both older homes and new projects. For homeowners comparing options, awning windows Anthem offer a dependable blend of ventilation, security, and year-round comfort. Home window replacement contractors Anthem can help match products to budgets, goals, and neighborhood standards, especially when the project includes custom awning windows, aluminum awning windows, or fiberglass awning windows. These materials are often chosen for their strength, appearance, and resistance to everyday wear. Residential exterior window upgrades. Anthem Arizona frequently include double-pane awning windows, low-E glass awning windows, and sealed window units designed to perform well in the local climate. Homeowners looking for replacement awning windows near Anthem AZ often want better energy savings, smoother operation, and improved noise reduction. With the right awning window installers in Anthem Arizona, even a small upgrade can deliver major comfort and value. For awning windows Anthem, homeowners seeking home exterior window replacement in Anthem AZ often choose energy-efficient awning windows Anthem for better comfort and lower utility costs. These weatherproof awning windows Anthem options pair well with insulated glass awning windows, low-E glass awning windows, and double-pane awning windows Anthem AZ to improve performance in hot desert conditions. Whether the goal is residential awning windows, sealed window units, or modern awning window styles, local residential window experts Anthem Arizona can recommend solutions that fit both older homes and newer builds. Residential awning window replacement Anthem AZ is a smart upgrade for houses needing improved ventilation, security, and curb appeal. Home window replacement contractors Anthem frequently install vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and fiberglass awning windows depending on budget and style preferences. Affordable residential awning windows Anthem Arizona and custom awning windows Anthem Arizona are available for property owners wanting a tailored fit. From awning window frame replacement Anthem AZ to full window frame replacement, the right replacement window contractors can deliver lasting results in Anthem AZ. Awning window installation Anthem AZ is especially popular for bathrooms, kitchens, and hard-to-reach spaces where crank awning windows Anthem AZ provide easy operation and reliable airflow. Best awning window installers in Anthem AZ often recommend tilt-out awning windows and casement and awning windows for flexible design and function. Licensed awning window contractors Anthem AZ can also handle awning window hardware, awning window installation, and new construction awning windows for remodels or additions. For homeowners comparing options, awning windows Anthem offers practical style with strong weather resistance. Vinyl awning window replacement Anthem AZ remains one of the most requested home window upgrades because vinyl delivers durability, low maintenance, and energy savings. Anthem AZ energy-saving window replacements often include low-E awning glass replacement Anthem AZ, insulated awning glass windows Anthem Arizona, and double-pane awning windows Anthem AZ to reduce heat transfer. For those needing a fast turnaround, same-day window replacement Anthem AZ and replacement awning windows near Anthem AZ are commonly requested by residents who want dependable service from an Anthem AZ residential window replacement company. Awning window installation services are essential when seals fail, cranks stick, or frames warp from age and weather exposure. Residential exterior window upgrades. Anthem Arizona may include awning window installation, awning window frame replacement Anthem AZ, and low-E awning glass replacement Anthem AZ to restore function without full replacement. Local homeowners searching for awning window installers in Anthem, Arizona, or residential window installers can benefit from Anthem AZ window and door replacement services that cover cracked glass, damaged hardware, and weather-resistant awning windows. Anthem in one convenient visit. Homeowners planning premium awning window installation. Anthem can choose from custom awning windows, vinyl awning window replacement. Anthem AZ, and affordable residential awning windows. Anthem Arizona to match their home and budget. Home window replacement contractors. Anthem often provide house window replacement. Anthem AZ, residential awning window replacement. Anthem AZ, and awning window installation. Anthem AZ for projects ranging from single-room updates to full property transformations. For durable, attractive, and efficient results, awning windows. Anthem awning windows. Anthem continues to be a leading choice for Anthem AZ residential window replacement company services.